This is group number 7 of our Trackin Trucks race. We're finding out which Trackin Truck is the fastest of them all. Here we've got Speed Hauler, then we've got Speed Fleet, Hitch and Haul, Haul and Heat, Highway Hauler, and another Scania Rally Truck. These things are fast. Alright, let's get them out of their packages. I want to give you a closer look at these trucks. This is my favorite truck, I think, of all the group. Speed Hauler. Just got a really nice design to it. Nice paint job. We got Speed Fleet here. This is Hitch and Haul. Here's Haul and Heat. And this is Highway Hauler. And finally, Scania Rally Truck. We'll see which one's fastest. This really nice looking Speed Hauler took that first race. It was a tight race though, so it might be tough to win out on this group. Haul and Heat won race number 2, so we're tied up. One for Haul and Heat and one for Speed Hauler. First to 3 moves on to the next round. Haul and Heat took another race, so he's up 2-1 over Speed Hauler. First to 3 moves on. Haul and Heat won out in 4 races, 3-1 against Speed Hauler. So this guy's moving on to the next round. We just finished racing group number 7. This is one nice looking truck over here, the Speed Hauler. Yeah, and the Scania Rally Trucks, it looks like the yellow one is faster than the red one. But again, some really nice looking trucks here. Raced a lot of trucks. Had some pretty good crashes at the finish line. We ended up with 7 of the fastest trucks. So these guys won out, and they're heading on to the semifinals. So stay tuned for the semifinal race and the final race. Then after we do that, we've got some races coming up on our new track here. So we're calling this the Super Sidewinder. Runs down, makes 4 different turns, and ends up down here at the finish line. All right, let's watch it go. Pretty smooth. Took out our camera tower though. Stay tuned. Ought to be some good races here.